Hello everyone, welcome back to the Basum English Hub. Today we're going to learn how to talk about the past in English. When we speak about something that happened yesterday, last week, last year, or a few minutes ago, we use the simple past tense, and the structure is subject plus second form of verb plus object. I played cricket yesterday. She visited her grandmother last week. They watched a movie last night. Let's learn some examples. Go present form. Went past form. First I'll say the present form and then the past one. Okay? Eat, ate. See, saw. Come, came. Write, wrote. Buy, bought. Let's learn few examples. I went to school yesterday. She ate an apple in the morning. We watched a football match. They bought a new car. He wrote a letter. Now repeat after me. I went to school yesterday. She ate an apple in the morning. We watched a football match. They bought a new car. He wrote a letter. Excellent, everyone. Negative sentences. Follow the structure subject plus didn't plus first form of verb plus object. Like, I didn't go to school yesterday. She didn't eat breakfast. They didn't play cricket. Always remember, don't say I didn't went to school. Always say I didn't go to school, because after didn't we always use the base form of the verb. Okay, now let's learn how to frame questions in simple past. Follow the structure did plus subject plus first form of verb plus object followed by a question mark. Did you watch the movie? Did she call you? Did they visit Delhi? Answers: yes I did, or no I didn't. Now let's practice daily conversation. Conversation 1. Ravi, what did you do yesterday? I visited my grandparents. Ravi, did you enjoy it? Aman, yes I did. We had a great time. Next conversation between mother and son. Mother, did you finish your homework? Son, yes I did. Mother, did you play outside? Son, no I didn't. Now some useful time expressions. Yesterday, last night, last week, last month, last year, 2 days ago, a few minutes ago, in 2024. Examples: I met my friend last week. She traveled to Mumbai last year. We watched a movie 2 days ago. Now let's practice talking about your past experiences. You can say, I was born in Bhopal. I studied in a government school. I played cricket when I was a child. I visited Jaipur last summer. I learned English from YouTube. Now here's a challenge for you. Try to answer these questions. What did you eat for breakfast? Next, where did you go to last Sunday? Another, did you watch television yesterday? And the last one, what did you do last night? Try answering incomplete sentences, okay? Like question, what did you do last night? You can say, I completed my homework and watched television. Now let's correct some common mistakes. Don't say, I did not went there. Say this, I did not go there. And don't say, did you eat lunch? Say, did you eat lunch? Don't say, she didn't came yesterday. Say, she didn't come yesterday. Practice these sentences. मैं कल बाजार गया. I went to the market yesterday. उसने खाना नहीं खाया. She didn't eat food. क्या तुमने फिल्म देखी? Did you watch the movie? हम पिछले साल दिल्ली गए. We went to Delhi last year. So learners, today we learned how to make positive sentences, how to make negative sentences, how to ask questions about the past, how to talk about our past experiences. Now, your homework is write 5 sentences about what you did yesterday and speak them aloud. Thank you for watching. See you in the next class. Happy learning.